Okay, everyone. I got a question about this week's assignment, China's population issues. And I mentioned to you guys in an earlier message that I actually designed the course, and I finalized this course back on May 1st. And as of May 1st, this worked. Matter of fact, I've been using this exercise for quite some time. There's a lot of benefits to being able to use the census website. So I went back through because it's not the easiest thing to navigate around. These directions are based off of May 1st, and they work just fine then. As of today, it looks totally different, and if you have clicked on this website, you've already seen that the website redirects, so follow the redirect. And the first page is of great importance. If you scroll down, that's the population pyramid that's mentioned in the exercise as far as what you're supposed to be looking for. Now, there's usually more steps to this, so we're going to actually make this quite a bit simpler here. So we're just going to type in India because that's the first country we're supposed to look at. So we're going to do that. And we are going to scroll back down to the population pyramid. Now that starts in 2021, which in this particular scenario, since it's not going to ready make the pyramid for you, this is okay. But you see this little play signal right here, this sideways triangle. It's working through it, and I'm going to have you pause it at 2040, and you've watched that happen. You may want to watch it a couple of times to kind of see what actually is happening here, but you get the same effect to where you're actually watching the population pyramid. So I'm going to play it again. So that starts in 2020. It actually backed up like that for us this time. And we're going to hit play, and it's going to run in 5-year increments. I'll stop it at 2040 just so you kind of get a sense. I stopped it too late, of course. But you get a sense of what's happening here. And what you're doing is you're watching the growth, and you're watching, okay, what's this age range? What's this population look like in their 75 to 79 sector of males and then females. So you're doing this, and then I'm going to scroll back up, and I'm going to show you that you're going to change it again to China. That's your second question, comes from that. So we'll do that. I'm going to show you how that works really quick. Scroll back down again. That population pyramid does not look like much pyramid, does it? So I'm going to scroll, tell it to back up to us. We'll go to 2020, and you can see already there's certain segments of the population that are quite a bit higher. So I'm going to hit play, and again, you can watch exactly what's happening here as their population changes. And so you'll answer the question associated with that. The final one is Denmark. So again, I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you what we're doing here, because let's face it, the more times we try it, the more we're like, okay, this looks familiar. I think I can do this. So again, we're going to back up to 2020. And you watch that. Again, you can kind of see a little bit of how different each of these countries looks, and watch it as it scrolls through the different 5-year increments. This one's significantly different in that there's not a lot of difference. So your questions are associated with that, watching those things. So you'll answer a question about China in regards to India versus China, and then think about how did that one-child policy possibly influence the shape of that pyramid, so to speak. And then question 3 is in regards to Denmark. Hopefully that helps. I'm going to attach this to the assignment. As far as I can remember, this is the only assignment where you will use the census data from the website, but it is actually a really valuable tool that I wanted to introduce you to. I apologize for the confusion, but hopefully this will clear everything up.